Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace a Nissan Altima tail light. First, gather your tools, including a ratchet with a 10mm socket and a flathead screwdriver. Make sure you have the correct replacement bulb or the entire tail light assembly if needed. Always work in a well-lit, safe environment. This guide will walk you through each step, making the process straightforward and manageable for anyone. Now, let's get started. Open your trunk and locate the small access panel on the side where the tail light is. You'll need to remove this panel to expose the two 10mm nuts holding the tail light in place. Use your ratchet to carefully loosen and remove these nuts. Once the nuts are off, gently pull the entire tail light assembly straight back, away from the vehicle, to release it. With the old tail light assembly out, you can now replace the faulty bulb or the entire unit. If replacing a bulb, twist the bulb's socket counterclockwise to remove it, then pull out the old bulb and push in the new one. If replacing the whole assembly, simply disconnect the main electrical connector. Then, connect the new assembly and ensure all connections are secure before proceeding. Before you fully reassemble everything, it's crucial to test the new tail light. Turn on your vehicle's lights and check the brake lights, turn signals, and running lights to ensure they all function correctly. Once confirmed, carefully push the tail light assembly back into its position and resecure the two 10mm nuts. Replace the access panel. Remember to check the description for the Echo Dot link and other great deals. You've successfully replaced your tail light.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.